I just wanted to share with you today our brand new launch of some beautiful papers. These are our Dreamscape papers. They are 8x8, 150 GSM, 30 double-sided sheets and 10 unique designs. So while the camera was rolling, I just wanted to flick through and show you some of these gorgeous papers. Now you can stamp on top of these, you can emboss, you can blend. Aren't they beautiful? And we're going to be working with a couple of these today. So I've got some here that I made over the weekend that I can show you. And as you can see, all I've done is stamped and emboss over these, just building up lots of layers. But aren't they lovely with that background? Some really beautiful colours. And here I've just picked out the detail with a white pen, and again I've embossed at the bottom. This is one of our blue backgrounds, stamped in blue, and then I've embossed in white. And there's no waste, you know, you can use each little piece and make great gift tags or just small cards. That's a great one, using our little snail, our brand new snail. I think that's fab. So quick and so easy as well. And then we've got a lovely sunset there. So I'm going to be creating one of these today with you anyway, so sit back and enjoy. Today I'm going to be doing a demo using our lovely papers, our new papers. So you can stamp onto these, blend, emboss, pretty much anything. Today I'm going to just be doing some stamping, some simple stamping, and show you how quick and easy you can create a card using these lovely papers. So we're going to create a scene using our castles today, but I want them to look like there's distance, so there's a foreground and background going on. So I'm just going to show you how to achieve that. So taking the castle, I'm going to ink up just the top section. Now just test that on a scrap piece of paper to see if you're happy. So that's fine, so I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to stamp off gently because I don't want a too harsh image, and then just simply press down, and there you've got your castle that's looking like it's in the distance. So repeat that process, gently stamp off, and then again at a slightly different height. There we go. So we've got our castle in the background there. Now we want a slightly bigger castle down here, and we want this to be more prominent, so we're going to ink that up in the Nocturne. So take that, press it down, and there we have our castle. Now we need to ground this, so using a piece of paper we're going to just tear the edge and then place that down over the edge of the castle. I'm going to do it on a slight hill. inking up, this time in the twilight. Using a smoothie, just blend over the edge there. And now that's your castle grounded. So in this area here, I think we need some foliage or some trees or something. So I'm going to use one of our trees. And this time I'm going to use Warm Breeze. Again, I'm going to just ink up the top bit, stamp off. I want to build up the foreground and the background with different colours, and this then gives the illusion of depth. And now moving on to the Nocturne, onto the black. I'm placing that down quite prominently there, and another, like so. Okay, so I'm going to place some words down now around the edge. So going back to Warm Breeze. Like so. And then go around the edge with Warm Breeze and blend all those colours together. You can add a little colour underneath the castles that you've stamped. Work your way around the edge there. Okay, so the only thing now we need is a moon. So taking our acetate and then just pop that just about there with the castle in the centre, and then we're going to just take the smoothie and go around the edge. Now we're not going all the way round because we don't want to cover the castle. This would just look wrong. You need it to be sitting behind the castle and not in front. So just remember that when you're creating the moon. So you see I've left this area out here and it automatically looks like it's sat behind. Okay, so I'm just going to use my white pen now and just pop the lights on in the castle. And I'll do a few of these up here as well. There we go. And then lastly, I'm just going to go around the edge of the moon with our glue pen, and we're just going to add a little bit of glitter. Add a little bit of sparkle in and around the castles as well. Okay, so we're going to use the turquoise and the green. I think this will work quite well with the colours we've got going on. Okay, give that a shake, and then we'll tap that off. And you can see how great that looks now that glitter is picked up. I hope you can see that under the camera. I'm never quite sure how to angle it for you to see. But it's got a turquoise fine glitter, and then the coarser glitter is the green. And it just looks really nice together. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching that, and see you again tomorrow.